event's been fantastic. Some of the speakers we've had have been phenomenal. The diversity has been particularly impressive.
It's been very well organised. People have really responded well to my talk. I had lots and lots of interesting conversations with people the whole day. I barely had a moment to myself.
Events like our Resilient and Robust Sensing Conference are very useful for the sensor community in the UK, but also globally, because they bring the community together, and the discussions were really useful to understand what are the challenges and what can we do better together.
My biggest takeaway from the event has been the importance of the new metrics that have been developed, where we should make decision points, how that can be applied into the safety of the system so that we can make a link between the existing safety processes and the actual physical sensors and hardware.
We need to collaborate really with the policymakers to make sure that we are developing in the right directions.
A big takeaway from today is the opportunity to connect a network from experts across different fields and different realities. In particular, I think there is a great opportunity to connect industry and academia.
This year we experimented with the poster. It was the first year that we were doing posters, and I think it was really a boost for both sides, from an academic perspective and from an industrial perspective.
For me, the most important thing about sensors moving forward is finding a way of reducing the cost while retaining the performance.
So the most important thing moving forward is making sure that we use the sensors beyond a single domain. So ideally every sensor in the vehicle can contribute to any function so that we optimize the usage of sensors.
There is a pressing need to agree on how we define the sensor quality, because we can talk about improving robustness, we can talk about the graded data, but we really need to agree how we measure this quality and if it is enough to guarantee the safety of the intelligent vehicles.
Our role in AESIN is to build the strategic direction of what we want to do in the UK, to work with collaborators internationally and nationally, so that we have a space in this hugely growing market that we're seeing now.
Normally I go to public conferences where it's all about marketing, of course, but here it was more about technical details, about future, about how to make things right, and I'm looking forward for the 4th time next year.